Web scraping has never been simpler, and all thanks to Google's groundbreaking multimodal Live API. With this tool, you can effortlessly extract data from any web page, whether it's complex, unstructured, or something very specific. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through actual examples step by step to show you how you can perform web scraping using Gemini 2.0. Alright, so let's get started. In order to perform web scraping using the new Gemini 2.0 model, you need to have access to the Google AI Studio, but if you don't already have it, you have to go to aistudio.google.com, sign in using your Google account, and you will land on the page that looks like this. This is the interface of the Google AI Studio. On the left hand side, we have a navigation menu which provides us a wide variety of options to choose from, and on the right hand side, we have the run settings from where we can go ahead, select the model, set the temperature, and so on. In this video, I'm gonna go with the Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental model. And then from the options provided in the left navigation menu, I'm gonna go with the stream real time. This is how the page will look. It is a page for the multimodal live API with the Gemini 2.0 that allows you to start interacting in real time using text, voice, video, or screen sharing. So out of these options, I'm gonna go with share your screen. So the overall plan is really simple. We will firstly share the screen with the Gemini 2.0 Live API. And instead of sharing a single tab, we are going to share the entire screen because the Gemini 2.0 will process what is actually present on your whole screen. Then we need to select the output format, which you can set according to your requirement. And then we are going to go towards the data or the web page or the website from which we want to extract the data using web scraping, and then provide a prompt or an instruction to the Gemini 2.0 by actually talking to it, and then on the basis of our prompt it is going to actually perform the operation and will extract the data in real time. For the first example, I actually want to extract the reviews of the recently released web series on the Netflix called the Squid Game 2, and I want to extract all the reviews along with additional information using the Gemini 2.0. So for that, I'm gonna go to the Google AI Studio, click on share your screen. But before actually sharing your screen, I'm gonna change the settings. I want the output to be in a text format and the text is gonna be JSON. So now let's go ahead and share your screen, and you want to share your entire screen to the Google Gemini 2.0. Next, you have to go to your web page, go to the reviews, share all the reviews with it. And then once I'm on the reviews page, I'm gonna provide it the prompt that extract all the reviews which are visible on the screen into a structured format and keep extracting as I scroll. And after scrolling through all the reviews, I'm gonna head back and stop the recording. And you can see that once I stop the recording, it scraped through all the reviews which I scrolled and has provided me the author, rating, date, review, along with some helpful content for all the reviews which I scrolled through. And then you can always go ahead and use this information to create different types of data sets on the basis of the extracted data. Another important use of this scenario can be whether you are analyzing the customer feedback or complying the reviews for the comparison. This method will save you hours of manual copying and pasting. So you simply have to share the screen, scroll through all the reviews, and the rest of the task will be performed by the Gemini 2.0. Now let's head to my second use case. For the second use case, I want to extract only the table data from a research article and not the entire page. So this time I'm actually focused on precision. So here's how I'm gonna do that. Firstly, I have found an article that is about understanding the 2022 developments for the European Union. Here is a table for the synoptic view of supply and use components for the year 2021 and 22. And now I want to share my entire screen with the Gemini 2.0 and ask it to extract only the data present inside the table and not the entire page, and then perform certain analysis. So let's go ahead and do that. Once again, head back to the stream real time. For the output format, I'm gonna change it to text. I'm gonna share the screen and then provide it the prompt. Extract only the table data from this article and convert it into a JSON format. Provide the JSON format data and then perform analysis on it and explain the developments for the European Union for the year 2001 and 2022 on the basis of this data. Now let's head back to the Google AI Studio, and if I scroll up, you can see that here is the JSON table data along with the analysis. So all the data which was present inside the table has been extracted and presented to us in the JSON format. There were total of 18 different items, and yeah, we have total 18 items in the JSON file as well. And then just like I asked it to perform the analysis, it has performed the analysis on the table data for the European Union between 2021 and 2022, and based on the extracted information, it has provided us that what was the supply condition during those years, what were the uses, and any additional points, and it has also provided us an overall summary of what this table data indicates. So just by looking at the table, it was able to identify that the domestic production increased by this amount from the year 2022, rising from 27,848 billion to 31,647. The imports of goods and services were also increased, and consequently, the total supply saw an increase of 4,552 billion. Then it also provided us all of this information regarding the uses of the supply as well as some additional information. But if you look at the table, you can see that there are just 18 items and 4 different columns, and there are values for all the different items which are present on the table. And then on the basis of this information, and then just like we asked the Gemini 2.0, it extracted only the table information instead of extracting information from the entire page. And then it performed analysis on this information as well and provided us its JSON form. So in this way, you can use the real-time API provided by the Gemini 2.0 in order to perform web scraping on any type of data, may it be in any format. Some other scenarios for which you can perform web scraping would be to extract the Amazon reviews or the product data related to any specific item. You can also scrape the restaurant listings or hotel details if you are planning to travel in the near future. And you can also pull the financial tables or stats from different articles in the research papers, just like I did. You simply have to set up the Gemini 2.0, share your screen, and simply tell it what to do, and everything else will be done by Gemini 2.0. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.